In this video, we'll see how to compute a window-on-ground thermal bridge. We start from a project with all the materials and boundary conditions assigned. We suggest to see also Mold Simulator Tutorial 8 for more details. Let's activate Advanced Features button and make sure the correct computation method is selected. The first thing we need is a floor section element. We'll also add a secondary dimension. Setting the secondary dimension ensures that B value is correctly set by Mold Simulator. Now we need a section element for the wall below ground. Its width must contain all the geometry of the wall. The advantage of ISO 10211 method A is that we don't need to identify the geometry of wall below ground, sidewalk, and foundations. We'll add them later when we'll show you how to use ISO 10211 method B. Now we just need to identify the window with the green area. Its type has to be set to window. One last detail, we must assign a segment material to the connection between window and floor. Everything is ready for simulation. As you can see, window has been simulated alone with adiabatic condition assigned to the connection with floor. What if we wanted to simulate with ISO 10211 method B? We just need to surround sidewalk and foundations with standard green areas and wall below ground with a green area of wall type. Now we'll select bridge areas in this drop-down menu. Please note that SI computation mode is now set to option B. Now also floor has been simulated alone. In this simulation, geometry surrounded by standard green areas has been filled with ground material. A much simpler alternative is using Bridge Generator. First, you can choose a starting template. Then you can tweak all its parameters. And even choose the computation algorithm. As you can see, everything has already been set up for simulation.